Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, Progressive is currently hiring, guys. Rethink Progressive. Your next career starts here. There are a lot of opportunities here at Progressive, but I saw this job and I just wanted to share that with you really quickly. It's a customer service representative trainee role. If you're a problem solver with a passion for helping others, join our team as a customer service representative trainee, supporting all building trust with our policy customers. You'll service their unique needs while also offering additional products. So, guys, this is a remote position. Preferred candidates will live in the following states: Florida, Ohio, Texas, Tennessee, Georgia, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, Alabama, Mississippi. Must have qualifications, associate degree higher in lieu of above 1 year post-secondary education and a minimum of 1 year work experience in property and casualty underwriting, claims, sales, and customer service. This role for compensation is from $19.35 an hour to $20.35 an hour. Gain share bonus up to 8% of your eligible earnings based on the company performance, and additional 10% when you work evenings or weekends. The starting training for this job starts January 22nd, 2024. The schedule during your first 3 weeks of training, your schedule will be Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After your training schedule will be Monday through Friday from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern. They offer a slew of benefits here for you see wellness, medical, dental, vision, including free preventative care, so forth and so on, guys. So you can come over here and take a look. I will put the link to this job in the description of this video, so that way you can come over here and apply. And if you want to go and look at all of the jobs that Progressive have, all you have to do is just click on Progressive on the link, and you'll be able to see all of the different careers to be able to learn more about Progressive and all of the open opportunities that they currently have, guys. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing roles. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you know anyone who's looking for a job lead or any type of job at all, guys, please share this lead with them or share the videos with them so they'll be able to come over and apply to Progressive as well, or any other previous jobs that I've shared with you previously. Thank you so much. You are the best. You are amazing. Love you lots, friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.